How to use Bard. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Bard. What is Bard? It is an AI chatbot just like ChatGPT, designed to be conversational, and it is created by Google. For now, only the users in UK and the USA can use it, and you have to join the waitlist for this. It is very easy to join the waitlist. All you need is a Google account and perhaps a VPN if you are residing outside of US or UK. So once you have joined the waitlist, after about a week or so, you will get another email confirming that you got the access to Bard. The email will look like as shown on the screen, and here just go ahead and click on take it for a spin, and you will reach another page like this, and here you can start chatting with the chatbot. Just give it a prompt, ask it questions, and it will reply you. But do keep in mind that it is not perfect, it is just an experiment, and it might give you inaccurate or inappropriate responses at times. And that is one of the reasons why there is this Google it option just below the responses. So if you have any doubts, just go ahead and Google it. Anyways, this is how you can use Google Bard. I hope the video was informative. Thank you so much for watching.